guys, it's Danica here. Today I want to talk about how I was able to permanently plump my lips at home with something that I bought for $12 off of Amazon. This gave me very natural looking results, so if you want to have bigger, fuller lips, but you don't want to go to the extreme of getting any fillers or injections, this is your next best bet in my opinion. I have gotten real results from this. So the thing that I am talking about is Dermarolling. Here is what a derma roller looks like. It's also known as micro needling or collagen induction therapy. Basically, it's a device that has miniature needles on it, and you're going to roll it on your lips. And as you do that, you're going to put little holes or pinpricks in your lips. It's going to kind of cause a wound and make your body produce more collagen in that area. Basically, that's how Dermarolling works. Let me tell you, it definitely works. I've been doing it now for over a year. I think I've been doing it 16 months now. I want to mention that there are different sizes of needles that you can get for your derma roller, and I am using the 0.5 millimeter length of needles, so definitely research into that, because if you don't use a long enough needle, you're not going to get the results that you want. So definitely research that. That has worked to give me plumper, fuller lips, and do so in a natural way so it doesn't look fake, because in my opinion you can tell when people get fillers and injection. It's just really obvious, and I didn't want that look for myself. So if you want the natural way, do it like this.
Hello everyone, welcome to the official before and after pictures. So I'm going to show you the progression of my lip growth since I started. We will start with the first picture here, which is this one. Here are my lips before I started Dermarolling. Here are my lips after 1 year of Dermarolling. As you can see, they look a lot plumper and a lot fuller, and you can see even here that there is so much collagen that there's a shadow cast above my upper lip here. My lower lip does look bigger too. It looks like I actually got fillers, I think, almost, but not in a freaky way. Okay, so here's how they look after 16 months of Dermarolling. So I did another Dermarolling session because I only do it every 3 months. So they look bigger. They do look bigger to me. They look fuller. They look more fuller like up here. You know, it looks like they're getting fuller in the center almost. It looks like they're growing width-wise, not really length-wise. And then there's still a bit of a shadow cast here, you can see up here. And in general, they just look fuller. I personally think this is as big as they're gonna get, and I'm happy with this size. I think it looks very in proportion to the rest of the features on my face. I'm gonna show you the before and after of 16 months total, which is this picture here. So clearly there is a huge difference in the size of my lips. Like, you definitely cannot deny that Dermarolling works to make your lips bigger. My upper lip looks a lot bigger, and my lower lip looks bigger as well. Not as big as my upper lip, mind you. So yeah, this definitely works. It's cheap, it's easy, it's affordable, and if I were you, I would give it a try.
I'm going to be doing a how I microneedle my lips tutorial in the future. I'll be uploading that to my channel, so if you're interested in Dermarolling results, definitely subscribe to my channel. I have befores and afters for Dermarolling my lips, also how Dermarolling faded my stretch marks, so if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe. Dermarolling has been used for reducing wrinkles, aging. It's been used for reducing photo aging, acne scars, as well as hair growth. And I will link those studies below for you in case you are skeptical. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. I would love to answer them. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.